Hello and welcome to my first YouTube video. It's actually an unboxing and it's of the new Tsc55 REB, the cordless track saw. Woohoo! The reason I'm doing this review is over the last month and a half or so, since this has been out, I've been looking online for customer reviews of this machine, not just the reviews by Festool themselves and the reviews from the tool shows. I wanted to see what a customer felt about it, so I was going to buy one anyway. I bought it. I already have the Tsc55, which is a 240 volt cordless machine, corded machine, sorry. And I just wanted to see. Let's unbox. I've already taken the. Sorry about the plane. Sorry. I've already taken all the leaflets out and registered the machine for my 1+2 warranty, guarantee, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so let's have a look inside. As you can see, absolutely brand new. Still got the tag on it. Register now. So, yeah. So there it is. Oh, it's really light. Coming from the Tsc55, which is a bigger machine anyway than the 55, it's naturally going to feel lighter, but it actually feels really light. Obviously no batteries on it, but I'll just go and get those. So the deal I went for was the saw, because there's loads of different deals, and it's quite confusing as to which one you'd want and so on. But I went for the saw, 2 batteries, two chargers, one for each battery, which is really cool, I think, and a 1.4 meter guide rail. And it was about, to be exact, it was about £601. And I actually got it from the Festool Roadshow, the 2014 European Roadshow. And they came to one of the tool shops in London, South West London. And I had to go on the machine. I wanted it anyway, as I said, but I had to go on the machine. And yeah, it's amazing. The power is identical to a corded model. And that is a really small charger. That is amazing. That is quite small, really. Considering it charges batteries, but anyway. Each to their own and all that. Right, so let me just put this down. Don't have to do this. Please excuse my amateurs. This is my first video, so bear with me a bit. Okay. So I just thought, actually, is amateurness a word? Amateurness. That was very amateurness. No, I don't think that's a word, but anyway. Oh shit, I don't know what I'm doing. Right, so bottom first. It says on there for full speed, 2 batteries. For half the speed, I think it is, or turtle speed, it's 1 battery, but it has to be on the bottom, not on the top. Top is wrong. There you go. Which is really cool. If one of your batteries is dead, you've still got a saw. So that is cool. These batteries, by the way, are 18V, 4.2 amp, which is massive. I've already got the Festool T18 with the 18V 3 amp batteries, and they last forever. So these ones are just gonna, well, they're just gonna be amazing, I'm sure. Let's turn it on. First time. Oh my god, that is amazing. Cordless track saw. That was just a quick unboxing. I'll be back with a full review and a tripod for the camera, and yeah, I'll see you then. Cheers.